China is putting more ban on Apple iPhone. Apple share prices have dropped significantly. S&P 500 and Nasdaq also dropped a lot as well. However, this week's plan, I remain bullish for short term. I want to buy the stock market. Let me explain to you why. Okay, we are looking at the Apple chart at the moment. When you look at a stock market chart, I recommend you start off with a weekly chart. So this is a weekly chart. You can see we have actually what I call a change of trend condition. This trend line has broken. Okay, so we had a nice bullish run early of the year. Now the trend line has broken. So something to pay attention to. We do have a change of trend on weekly. Daily, we do have a downtrend. So now you can drop down to a daily time frame to have a clearer picture. So price has, this is the high point, and now we do have a low point and also a high point here. What I think what we're likely to see is we will come and test this area again around the 188 area dollar, and then we may see a sell-off. So we shall see. We're definitely going to keep an eye on it for the next coming days. Let's move on to the stock indices, because if Apple is weighing down, what's going to happen to S&P 500 and Nasdaq? One thing I use a lot is the SPY. It is the cash market ETF. It's very important that you use that. We still have a daily uptrend. If you see, we have the corrective phase, and now we do have a daily uptrend. Higher low, higher high, could be sitting on this higher low area here. Okay, what I like to see is this accumulation distribution measure the buying and selling volume. We're still very healthy. We still have high volume on the buy side, so I remain bullish, but this needs to take off. So Friday high need to break above first, similar to the QQQ. But now let me go to my trading chart from IG, my trading platform, to show you what my plans are. Okay, so this is the S&P 500 chart from my trading platform, IG. I do like using them because it's low spread and also very easy to operate, many things to trade. If you'd like to join, I will put the link in the description for you guys to join our IG broker. So you can see S&P 500 on Thursday, we do have a daily low test bar sitting on support and resistance area, potentially forming up the daily higher low. What I like to see is break above this area and then stay above. Then potentially we could see touch testing the previous swing high area. So to trade this, you really need to pay attention to the smaller time frame. I like to use 1 hour and daily pivot, weekly pivot, etc. You can see now we do have a what I call a triple bottom. All right, so let me draw that and show you where are the bottoms in here. 1, 2, and 3. So price are having a weak 1 hour uptrend. So I like to see this previous high breaks come back for retest, perhaps Tuesday around this area, 4,460 area. Then I'll consider to go long. So that's the plan on S&P 500. Moving on to Nasdaq. Nasdaq has a similar picture. Let's go to the daily first. We are potentially sitting on a support resistance area. You can see first a low test bar, and now we do have trying to form up a higher low on the daily. Similar things, break above this first, and then I could take it long to around this trend line area, which I believe is 15,800, yeah, something like that in this area. I don't think we're gonna make a new high. Underlining, we do see some weakness in there, which I'm going to show you, especially the Russell 2000. You are seeing a lot more weakness on that. So the selling is still continuing quite strong last week. So I think it's likely to see some more weakness in the coming weeks ahead. So that's why I'm not super bullish on that. But short-term bullish, couple of days is okay. Moving on to Hang Seng, I still want to be a seller. Last week we did see selling, but now it's a bit too late for me to get in. So I would like to see what I call daily double top formation under the 19,000 area. Then I will consider to be a seller. Okay, so that's the plan on that. One of the most bullish indices is the Japanese Nikkei. You can see, let's go to daily first. We do have a bullish flag and it's broken out. I've been mentioning, I said, if it breaks out, then it looks like quite bullish. So it's very important that it remains above this channel. So 32,000 area, if the price action is right, I will look to be a buyer of Nikkei as well. But on the other hand, I would like to be a Japanese yen seller. If you'd like to find out what my plan for the Forex market, make sure you subscribe because I will broadcast and post the next video for the Forex market next. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys soon.